So, how to remove a green screen and add a blurry background for this? I will blur this image here, I have here, and add this to this image. Alright, so what you have to do first, just select your green screen and let's go to the color page. We can use other tools to remove the green screen. Obviously there are many others, but I like to use sometimes I like to use the color page. So what you have to do here is just click on this qualifier and now click on picker. We pick this color. Now as you can see here, now when you have to select it, the guy here, this Minecraft character, but we want the green screen. So what we have to do in this situation, we have to head over to the key excuse me, and here just click on invert, and now as you can see, this we want background, right? And now all we have to do is just add alpha source, connect it, and now as you can see, we are in we have our character here. Now we can move it. We can create a new compound clip. So it's not you don't see that you know that black when I moved this character. So just create a new compound clip and yeah. If you don't like you know there's still green here, you can add also add some correctors, but yeah, you can click here and in the qualifier, and here you can play with the settings and just remove some of the white, some of the green. Just play with the settings, in and out ratio, this can work as well. Green, black, you can try this as well, but you know don't do it right now. I mean, just remove the green screen. You should be doing that before, but you can go Control Z if you want, and now you can do it again. But now let's add the blur background, and right here blur, and here we should look for blur. We have an OpenFX. Gonna use this one and add here, and now we have blur here. Go effects, gonna increase the blur and or decrease, you know. But yeah, it's pretty simple. I really hope you found this tutorial valuable. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you subscribe for more tutorials. Take care.